Continental breakfast. A continental breakfast is a light, simple meal, usually made up of bread, pastries, butter, jam, and coffee or tea. It originated in Europe, where breakfasts tend to be smaller and quicker. This type matters because it is one of the most common hotel breakfasts around the world and represents a minimalist approach to starting the day. Full English breakfast. A full English breakfast is a large, hearty meal that typically includes eggs, bacon, sausages, baked beans, toast, mushrooms, and tomatoes. It is designed to be filling and energizing, often eaten in the morning before a long day of work. This breakfast matters because it has become one of the most iconic and recognizable breakfast styles globally. American breakfast. An American breakfast usually includes eggs, bacon or sausage, toast, pancakes or waffles, and sometimes hash browns. It is known for combining both sweet and savory items in one meal. This type matters because it reflects a balanced but filling approach that has influenced breakfast culture worldwide. Indian breakfast. An Indian breakfast varies widely by region but often includes dishes like paratha, dosa, idli, poha, or upma. These meals are typically warm, flavorful, and made with spices, grains, and lentils. This type matters because it shows how breakfast can be diverse, nutritious, and deeply tied to local traditions. Japanese breakfast. A Japanese breakfast is a balanced and traditional meal that includes rice, grilled fish, miso soup, pickled vegetables, and sometimes eggs. It focuses on nutrition, variety, and portion control rather than heaviness. This breakfast matters because it represents a structured and health-focused way of eating. Chinese breakfast. A Chinese breakfast often includes savory items like congee, dumplings, steamed buns, or noodles. It is usually warm and designed to be comforting and filling without being too heavy. This type matters because it highlights a completely different approach compared to Western sweet-based breakfasts. French breakfast. A French breakfast is typically light and elegant, often consisting of a croissant or baguette with butter and jam, paired with coffee or hot chocolate. It emphasizes simplicity and quality over quantity. This breakfast matters because it reflects a refined and minimalist food culture. Mediterranean breakfast. A Mediterranean breakfast includes fresh ingredients like olives, cheese, bread, tomatoes, yogurt, and fruits. It focuses on natural, wholesome foods and balanced nutrition. This type matters because it aligns with one of the healthiest diets in the world. Healthy breakfast. A healthy breakfast is built around nutrient-rich foods like fruits, whole grains, yogurt, eggs, and nuts. It aims to provide energy, vitamins, and long-lasting fullness without excess sugar or processed ingredients. This type matters because it supports better overall health and daily performance. Quick breakfast. A quick breakfast is designed for speed and convenience, often including items like cereal, toast, smoothies, or protein bars. It is ideal for busy mornings when time is limited. This type matters because modern lifestyles often require fast and practical meal options. Buffet breakfast. A buffet breakfast offers a wide variety of foods where people can choose what they want, often including both hot and cold dishes from different cuisines. It is commonly found in hotels and large gatherings. This type matters because it provides flexibility and variety for different tastes. Grab-and-go breakfast. Grab-and-go breakfast is a portable meal meant to be eaten on the move, such as sandwiches, wraps, muffins, or packaged items. It prioritizes convenience and mobility over presentation. This type matters because it fits fast-paced lifestyles where people may not have time to sit and eat.